Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about how to earn money from Metaverse. So let's start the video. The Metaverse revolution is here and it will be thoughtfully and defined for your work experience, place, socialize and learn among for other things. Form of your taking and virtual jobs of creating digital assistants and opportunities to earn money and Metaverse are boundless but not always granted. What is Metaverse? Metaverse is a network of highly immersive 3D visualizations, word focus and social interactions where users come together and activities throughout their activities such as playing games, attending the concert of working. Simplify, put your metaverse and virtual reels for your parallel and read lines. This is the almost have anything is possible. Talk about with you living and doubtful life. This is the metaverse that is made to possible by technologies as Web 3.0 and digital assistants, augment of the reality and virtual reality, artificial intelligence, 3D recognitions, Internet of Things. Although many acceptance for your metaverse are still abstract for some clear components such as cryptocurrencies and non-profitable tokens that are accepted for fundamental and foundation roles in internet infrastructure and economy. Why to make money in metaverse? Metaverse is taking the shape of expect virtual metaverses, the fully functioning economic and new jobs of opportunities, redefined way to work. While you have to the virtual world, they have to in fancy to yet you publicly released in opportunities to earning income and metaverse or already have available. Investing in metaverse token. The simplest way that you have to get your token involved in metaverse is investing for metaverse economy project, which is are mostly powered by cryptocurrencies and digital assistants. When Facebook and rebranded itself of Meta in 2021, most of major metaverse cryptocurrencies such as SAT and Mana is the witness of exponential increases in the concept of virtual world gain techniques. So if you have to your diligence of belief that the metaverse project will be take off, you have to want to fill your bags with your some tokens, especially if you have to the intent of participate in your space. While writing for the token values in the approaches, you can be get generate a passive valid and staking them. Some project like a sandbox and XE identifying for your launched a native staking. It is not most of top metaverses coins that we stake for your decentralized exchange for the sushi swap and unswappy. Play to earn games. Backchain is the best of game and play for the earn P2E models such as the XE identifying, Agriculture and Paxing for introduce virtual of economic and reward for your players with trouble in-game assistance of cryptocurrencies in exchange for their times and skill. However, most of P2E games are required somewhat you have to initial investment and usually you have to the potential with the metaverse blockchain based on your game would be have to likely embedded from of your mini P2E games. This is the means that your gaming would be most likely and leading activities at least to start. Users guaranteed game developer is the not metaverse like your sandbox or people learning about your ropes. You can be see your game maker rules designed to help you users and creator then or games without you need to coding knowledge. Once you have to create a game, you can monetize it developing it on the land of praxisal. We will be covered for most and the later of earnings that you faces are the player of simplify selling and creations to another person's metaverse real estate. As companies measure of brands are investor rush on your slice and metaverse virtual real estate is the experiencing a boom of your both demand and prices. It is early 2021. Users could be have to grab in a small piece of land on popular metaverse such as Sandbox and Decentralized for under $1,000. The end of year people were selling the lost of plots and secondary marketplace over the flooded that is the virtual investment. Land places is the metaverse is NFT and stored in the blockchain. This is means that you each plot is unique, cannot be duplicated, is owned weight that you hold to private keys and wallet address to hold your NFT. Justice would be have to the real world research for your metaverse project. Consider plot location and society, security of virtual land and parallel for buying virtual real estate for metaverse and for choices. 7 ways to make money virtual real estate is first is flipping, renting, build a commercial venue, advertising, broking, real estate management, and real estate designing. Conceptual design 3D words that you have to the plots of digital lands according to the fortune.